Inland Empire area. At the Riverside Airport, rain was falling. Temperature was 52 degrees, dew point 51, and the relative humidity 97%. Wind was calm. Pressure was 29.97 inches and falling. In Ontario, light rain and fog were reported with a visibility of 5 miles. Temperature was 53 degrees, dew point 52, and the relative humidity 96%. Wind was southwest at 8 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.97 inches and rising. In San Bernardino, rain was falling. Temperature was 52 degrees, dew point 46, and the relative humidity 82%. Wind was calm. Pressure was 30.00 inches and rising. At Corona Airport, rain was falling with a temperature of 54. At March Field, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 53. At Chino Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 55. For the Los Angeles Basin, at Burbank, fog was reported with a temperature of 54. It was 52 at Lake Forest and 58 at Huntington Beach. At Los Angeles Airport, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 58. At Fullerton, it was cloudy with a temperature of 57. At Long Beach, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 58. At John Wayne Airport, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 59. In San Diego, rain and fog were reported with a visibility of 1 3/4 miles. Temperature was 59 degrees. For the San Bernardino and Riverside County Mountains, at the Big Bear City Airport, light snow was falling with a visibility of 3 miles. Temperature was 32 degrees, dew point 32, and the relative humidity 100%. Wind was west at 8 miles an hour, producing a wind chill index of 25 degrees. Pressure was 29.95 inches and rising. It was 33 at Big Bear City South. In the northern deserts, at the Victorville Airport, it was mostly cloudy. Temperature was 46 degrees, dew point 43, and the relative humidity 87%. Wind was southeast at 8 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.96 inches and rising. In Daggett, light rain was falling. Temperature was 50 degrees, dew point 30, and the relative humidity 46%. Wind was southwest at 7 miles an hour. Pressure was 29.91 inches and falling. At Las Vegas, Nevada, rain was falling with a temperature of 49. It was 47 at Hesperia and 45 at Apple Valley. It was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 48 at Lancaster and 48 at Edwards Air Force Base. It was cloudy with a temperature of 48 at Palmdale and 60 at Needles. In the southern deserts, at Blythe, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 61. At Phoenix, Arizona, it was cloudy with a temperature of 60. At Palm Springs, rain and fog were reported with a temperature of 57. Extended forecast for the San Bernardino and Riverside County Valley, Bernardino, California. Flash flood warning will expire at 9 p.m. this evening for San Bernardino County. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures. A flood watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for a portion of southwest California. Flood advisory for the following counties in California: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino. Flood advisory now in effect until 8:46 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues in a portion of southwest California, including the following counties: Orange, Riverside, and San Bernardino, until 8:46 p.m. Minor flooding in low-lying and poor drainage areas. At 7:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.25 to 0.75 inches are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Anaheim, Santa Ana, Riverside, Irvine, San Bernardino, Fontana, Moreno Valley, Huntington Beach, Garden Grove, and Ontario. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flood advisory for the following counties in California: Riverside, San Bernardino, and San Diego. Flood advisory in effect until 11:03 p.m. this evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. In the apportioned amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Moreno Valley, Oceanside, Temecula, Vista, Redlands, San Clemente, Southern Lake Elsinore, Yucaipa, Northwestern Palm Springs, and Hemet. https www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Flash flood warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. Flash flood warning will expire at 9 p.m. this evening for San Bernardino County. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures. A flood watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Friday for a portion of southwest California. These are the 8 p.m.